change, man. Boy, son, you've just given me the best 5,000th birthday present I've ever received. You finally learned to use your God powers. Now I know that when my reign comes to a close, I will have a worthy successor. And that's all I could ever hope for as a king. And there's your father, Camille.
Aw, Dad, I love you, man.
Now let's go. Great! What about the party? What about me restaurant? Oh yes, many thanks, whoever you are. It was the best birthday I could ever have hoped for, and it's all because of your little employee there. None of this would have happened if it wasn't for his actions.
Did you hear that? The princess said it was all because of me.
Well, SpongeBob, that's...
You hear that?